Alright, started back up again. We've just been to this bin, unloaded all our rubbish. We had quite a lot. And I'll just do a little bit of a pan around here just to show you this wonderful place, Carisbrooke Park in South Australia. It is just absolutely magnificent. There's been an awful lot of cyclists, people walking their dogs, people out with their family. Very, very nice place. But anyway, I'll try not to get too much sun there. Where's the grandson? There he is, way down the distance there. But as you can see, this is just beautiful land. What a lucky people we are to be able to live in such a place. Even though, you wouldn't believe it, but this is, you know, we're in the driest country in the driest state. It's the driest state in the driest country. Unbelievable. Here we have some ibis. What I might do, I might just try and zoom in on them there for you. Give you a bit of a look. They call them bin chickens here in South Australia. Oh, they probably call it that everywhere. Always going in your litter, in your rubbish bin. Not around your home, of course, but...
You guys should comment down below how old you think I am.
Comment how old you think you are. I think you told them that once before, mate. I think you have.
Should we show them the
Yeah, let's go down to the river again.
Yep.
The creek.
Yep,
Let's go down here. Oh wow, what's that down there? Is that the bridge crossing where you came over before?
No, that's the waterfall. I'll show you where I had to jump a little bit.
You had to jump. Oh, right.
I did have to jump.
Oh, hello. There we go. There's some ducks. Or a duck. Can you imagine going 17 kilometres of this? And this is only part of it. We're right down near the water's edge here, but we have a bike trail. There's a really good bike trail. Hopefully we can see a bit of it just a little bit up further. A good friend of mine, wonderful guy, passed away, and he used to like coming down here with me, and we'd cycle around this parkland. Really nice. Here we go, a couple of ducks here. Righty, I'd like to go up that hill a bit if we could. I just want to try and show, yeah, just up here. I'd just like to show the bike track. You know, and what we might do is head up the other side. I noticed a lot of litter on the other side before. And we'll quickly get that litter. Sorry about the wind, it's just blown up a little bit now. Righto, here we go. Here's this bike track I'm talking about. You know, it's a bike track, walking track. I'll just pan around and just show you. It's really nice. Really, really nice. Okay. We'll make our way back down the bottom here. Sorry about the glare.
You have to put batteries like in the thing and then you slide that in.
Alright. Okay. There he goes, wandering off down the road. But there are many trails around here. There's another one over there. It sort of runs parallel, and around about 3 kilometres down further they join up. Just a bit of variety when you're out walking and cycling around.
Here's some more rubbish. Of course it's Hungry Jacks.
Oh.
Wonder why I don't like Hungry Jacks and I don't like the taste of their food. So
Now that's a personal. That'll be a personal comment then, Brody.
Yeah.
Yeah. We don't bag anyone really, seriously, but oh, Brody, I have found the find of the day. And do you reckon we can get that? I don't know if you can see it. I'll zoom in there. Let's have a look. There she is. Oh my goodness, we'll have to save her, Brody.
Yeah.
Okay, righto, do you reckon you could go down there? Probably over this side here. Come on, we'll go around, we'll save this one. Come on, mate. Oh, Brody's already jumped down. I can't do that, but let's go down and we'll save this precious artifact. Hang on there, mate. Oh, let me help you. I'll grab hold of your shirt. You reach out and we save this young lady in the distance there. There she is. Oh, you should be able to get that, couldn't you? Get your grabbers out there. I'll grab hold of a leg.
Got it.
Got it. There we go. Good job, Brody. Oh. Right, I put her up on the deck there. Let's go over and have a look. Yeah, what is she? Is she a Barbie or not? She kind of looks like a Barbie. She's a bit dirty in the face. She needs a bit of a wash. Now apparently, I'm not sure. I thought they said there was a date. Oh, here we go. Look. Oh, what year does that say on there? Zoom in a bit. There we go.
That kind of looks like the one in my drama class. It kind of looks like that doll.
1999 Mattel Inc. What's that? 0771HF2. Wow, anyone out there? No? Is this one worth any money? Alright, we're going to pause it here for now and we'll make our way back to our car.
Peace.
Peace. Alright,
See you
anything else?
in the next video.
Righto, thanks.